na yung button natin na next. So, ang available balance na pwedeng ilabas lang is 962.08 kasama yung convenience fee. Click natin yung next. So, sabi dito, cash in via PayPal using PayPal account, etc. etc. So, total natin is 971.70. So, yun yung overall amount na mababawasan. So, meron pa tayong point something. So, click lang natin yung proceed after that. Okay, so your cash in is being processed. At ang sabi ng PayPal or GCash is we have to wait for at least 24 hours para makomplete ang ating transaction, and we will be able to receive a notification in our GCash inbox as soon as our transaction has been completed. So, i-close lang natin ito. Click lang natin yung OK.